In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Fiverr account. Whether you're looking to start your freelancing journey or hire top-notch professionals, Fiverr is the go-to marketplace to connect talents worldwide. Let's dive into the process of setting up an account perfectly fitted to your needs. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head on over to Fiverr's website. You'll find it by typing fiverr.com into the search bar. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with a variety of services and freelancers ready to showcase their skills. Take a moment to glance around and get a feel for the platform. It's always helpful to understand the space you're joining. On the home page, you'll notice a button labeled Join at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to becoming a part of Fiverr's global community. Clicking Join gives you options on how to sign up. For ease and speed, I recommend continuing with Google. You'll see an option that says Continue with Google, so click on it. You'll be directed to a page that prompts you to select your Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, choose the one you want associated with Fiverr. This selection is crucial as it links your Fiverr account to your chosen Google credentials, simplifying future logins. Click on your account and you'll then be asked to click Continue to give Fiverr permission to access basic profile information. Now you'll be invited to choose a unique username. Make it something memorable yet professional, since this name will be your identifier in the vast Fiverr community. Sometimes an ideal choice might already be taken, so having a few alternatives in mind is smart. Once happy with your chosen username, it's time to make things official by clicking Create My Account. This action will establish your presence on Fiverr, opening doors to publish your gigs or start exploring freelancers. Next, you'll be prompted to select whether you're a freelancer or a buyer. For today, let's choose I'm a freelancer. This indicates that you're looking to offer your services, but don't worry, you can switch roles if you decide to hire someone later. After identifying yourself as a freelancer, you might notice options to complete your profile or jump straight into exploring Fiverr's toolkit. I highly encourage completing your profile soon, as it enhances visibility and establishes credibility with potential clients. In summary, setting up your Fiverr account is an uncomplicated yet essential step to tapping into a vibrant freelancing world. Through these steps, you're now ready to either showcase your talents or discover those who can help bring your ideas to life. Keep exploring and optimizing your profile to maximize opportunities. Have fun engaging with the Fiverr community.